good? I don't even know. Does the color look crazy? Probably. Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Vanessa. I make content on basically almost everything. Beauty, lifestyle, motherhood, traveling when the world is able to travel again. So if you haven't subscribed already and you like that kind of stuff, subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Iamvanessagabriella. And let's just get into this. So recently, you know, when you're home bored, oh, there's a butterfly outside, kind of like living your best life, I guess, I came across this, I want to say the ads got me, the Instagram ads. It is called Insert Name Here, and look how cute this packaging is, you guys. I am a sucker for packaging. I'm actually in the process of creating my own brand. So when I look at what other brands do as far as packaging, I'm with it. But the hair comes in this cute little bag, which I can appreciate because where was I gonna hang this? Like, I don't even know. So it says here, everybody wants a pony, and I actually bought the Shayla ponytail in black brown. Okay, and it comes with this in the upper zipper. It comes with this extra piece of hair. So I guess this is for when you like tie it around right here. I'm excited because I actually did my hair to put the ponytail on. So we're gonna do that. Let me cut the thing. It says if you open me, I'm yours forever. So Shayla, we together forever now. All right, so that's that. We're gonna open it up. It comes with this really cute insert. It looks like a little receipt. I love this idea. I was actually thinking of coming up with a similar concept. I don't know if you guys can see, but it just says female founded, cruelty free, confidence boots. So everything that I love. Okay, and then see the pony. Okay, now this is my first rodeo with the pony. So please, I don't know what to kind of like judge it on. I guess like the Halloween wigs that I'm into. I guess, I don't know. But it comes with a little net. Oh God, I don't know what that extra hair is for, because this one has like the little hair tie here. Okay, the hair feels really, really soft, you guys. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm really impressed now. I am super hyped. And it comes with this scrunchie. You guys, I'm into these type of scrunchies because they're just bomb. I like them. Okay, we're about to do my hair because I am really impressed with the quality of this. Like I said, I'm not a wig person. I'm not into all that stuff. But you know what? I said I want to change it up. My hair is in the process of growing. So why not try something new? And this was actually pretty affordable. Let's see how much I paid for this. Give me 1 second. Let me check in my emails. And I know now they have like a 20% off going on, so you can get your little ponytail. So let's see. With tax, so the subtotal was $44.99, you guys, and with tax it came out to $55.18. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm gonna actually throw this onto my hair and I'll come back. Okay, I decided let me just record this. I made a reel on Instagram. But it has this little clip in right here. You guys, I've never done this before, so let's see. I'm gonna use the Instagram thing. Do I look ridiculous? I don't know. Okay. Let me just stop. I need earrings. I need earrings. You guys, I cannot. Eddie's gonna laugh at me. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I need some earrings. Okay, yo no sé. I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Let me tell you something. This is not... Okay. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I want to say this is better. I feel better with like the earrings and stuff. It's still a lot for me, you guys. This is a lot of bougie ass drama. This ain't me, but guess what? We're about to make it me. Overall, I really love this hair brand. I don't know what is this, like a bang or something? That you can put like a bang? Let me stop playing, y'all. Overall, I really like the brand. The packaging was really nice. The hair feels really good, and it's affordable. So I really wish they had like more curly girl options because my hair is really curly. But other than that, it's a really good brand. So definitely go check it out. This is not sponsored. I paid my coins for this. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions below. And till the next video. Bye.